WebVisio now allows you to create tasks on any website element, including hidden ones like mobile hamburger menus, slider slides, and hidden tabs. Let's switch to the Browse mode to interact with a hidden element. Then navigate to a hidden element, like mobile burger menu. Switch back to the Task mode to create a new task on a hidden element. Let's add a new task to this menu section. Hit the Create button when you're done with task. Here we go, your task pin has been assigned to this element. WebVisio also creates an automatic screenshot of the task on hidden elements. Click on the screenshot icon to view or download a screenshot. Click on the screenshot thumbnail to view or download a screenshot. You can preview the page in the state when the task was created and see the task marker on the hidden element. Click here to see the task snapshot. Here we go. You can preview a live snapshot of the task at the time it was created, even after the element has been changed or removed. To exit the snapshot mode, click back or switch back to the Task or Browse mode. Thank you for choosing WebVisio.